Welcome to Essential Drawing. Course outline: prepare to broaden your skills. Drawing tutorials include line, an element of art. Learn about blind contour drawing. Shape, an element of art. Learn to use simple shapes to draw complex forms. Value, an element of art. Learn an organized approach to shading. Form, an element of art. Learn to create the illusion of three-dimensionality. Space, an element of art. Learn to create distance and depth in a two-dimensional drawing. Introduction to linear perspective. A system of drawing forms in space. Learn about vanishing points and the difference between a horizon line and an eye level. Blending graphite. Learn to use your pencil's tip to softly blend your strokes together. Learn about gradation and reflected light. Hatching and cross-hatching. Use line to create value. Learn to use stroke direction to communicate a form's surface. Drawing with a grid. Learn to simplify complex imagery by breaking the whole into parts. You can use this method to resize a drawing from sketchbook size all the way to mural size. Draw from life. Learn to draw accurately without the aid of a photograph. Learn to measure proportion with your drawing tool. Negative shapes. You can improve your accuracy by learning to draw emptiness. Capture the relationship between and draw two objects at once. Line drawing of a skull. Learn to see the skull as two forms joined together. Learn the benefits of drawing broadly for structure versus looking for details. Drawing nuts and bolts, Part 1. Look for implied lines in a drawing to improve accuracy, and find parallel relationships to create a solid drawing. Nuts and bolts, Part 2. Capturing texture and detail using value instead of lines. Notice how corners often catch the light. The monoprint. Often called the painterly print, will blur the lines between drawing and printmaking. The ink wash. It's about value and saturation. With the ink wash, we'll blur the lines between drawing and painting. And then we'll wrap things up with a conclusion. I hope you enjoy Essential Drawing. Begin, but remember, knowledge is nothing without application, so you must practice.